To make this glitch even more overpowered, we're gonna utilize my wait anywhere glitch. Chair. Now what you want to do is press Y and move forward simultaneously, like that. And then in the front here, you're gonna want to look at this spinning thing, crouch down and walk back, and you can snipe this chest here. There's also another one, right beside the post here. This one has 1200 credits, however, you gotta talk to the NPC to reset it. Now once you collected the credits, just wait for 48 hours. I'd also like to thank everyone for 1,000 subscribers. That's kind of crazy. I hit that in like 3 days. Now once you've waited 48 hours, you just want to go into the separate shop and you just want to talk to this guy. Now that you see the shop has reset, just back out. And then you can just make your way back to the chest. And you can just rinse and repeat as much as you like. You could take anything from his inventory as well. Now for this last bit here, you can steal from the ship vendor, but it's incredibly hard. It's nearly impossible, and it requires a pixel perfect position, as the chest is directly in the middle. So if anyone would like to help me find that, go for it. There's also another chest over here as well. It's just outside Roland's Arms. And it's right here at this pile of rocks.